today's yoga class, we're going on vacation to Hawaii. Can anybody tell me what ocean do the Hawaiian Islands live in? The Pacific Ocean, very good. And when we're on our vacation in Hawaii, we're going to take a boat trip. And while we're on our boat trip, we're going to see the following things: a sailboat, a shark, a turtle, a dolphin, and a rainbow. So let's get our bodies warmed up with our sunshine arms and ocean breath. Our ocean breath goes like this. You take a big breath in through your nose, and you open your mouth, make the rolling sound of the ocean wave. That's it. Let's add our sunshine arms. Take your arms out to your side. Take a deep breath in. Big ocean breath out. Very good. Again, breathe in. Big ocean breath out. Awesome. Let's make our way to the ocean and get into our sailboat. Coming onto your hands and knees. The first pose we are going to do is Sailboat Pose. Coming all the way over to the edge of your mat. You want to spread your fingers wide. Make sure that your toes are tucked under, and you're going to take your outside leg to the end of the mat, turning your feet to the side. Very good. And then you're going to take your hand onto your hip. That's it. And see if you can stretch your arm up like a sailboat. That's it. Take a big breath in. Big breath out. Bring the hand down. And we got to stretch our sails on the other side. So coming back to your table pose, shimmy yourself to the other side of your yoga mat. Stretch your back leg. That's it. Bring your hand to your hip. Find your balance. Use your breath and raise your sail. Take a big breath in. Big breath out. Very good. Bring your hand down. Come back to all fours. The first animal that we see on our ocean adventure is a shark. Does anyone know how you call a shark in Hawaiian? It's called niuhi. Can you say niuhi? Niuhi. Very good. Lying onto your belly. Stretch your shark tail out. We're going to bring our hands together to make our shark fin. That's it. Your chin to the mat, and you can breathe in and lift your chest. Can you lift your legs? Good. And it's a beautiful hammerhead shark. Take a big breath in. Big breath out and relax your body. Very good. Nice, strong shark pose. And then you're going to bring your hands to the side of your body. You're going to come up back to your hands and knees. And the next animal that we are going to see is a turtle. Do you know what you call a turtle in Hawaiian? The honu. Very good. The Hawaiian Sea Turtle. Cross your legs. Very good. In order to make the turtle with our body, you're going to bring your feet together. That's it. Your back will be like the turtle shell. You're going to reach up your turtle flippers, bring them to the inside of your legs. That's it. And imagine yourself like a giant green sea turtle wading in the Pacific Ocean. Take a big breath in. Big breath out. Big breath in. Big breath out. Very good. Breathing in, you're going to come up. And then we're going to bring ourselves to cross legs. And the next thing that we are going to see, we're going to see a pod of dolphins. Do you know how to call a dolphin in Hawaiian? It's called naya. Can you say naya? Very good. So we're going to do dolphin breathing next. Bringing your hands to the top of your head. I want you to imagine that you have like the blowhole that a dolphin has, right? And dolphins breathe when they come up out of the water. So you're under the water. You're going to take a big breath in. You're going to hit the surface of the water and you're going to blow all your water out. Very good. Let's go back underneath the water. One more time. Very good. Bring your hands back to your knees. In Hawaii, over the mountains, there's often a mist. And over the ocean, there's the sun. When you have rain and sun, what do you typically see in the sky? And a rainbow. And they nickname Hawaii the Rainbow State because there's so many rainbows seen in Hawaii. Do you know how to call a rainbow in Hawaiian? Anue nue. Can you say that? Anue nue. And we're going to use our spines to make the shape of the rainbow. Bring your hands into the air. Touch your hands to the knees, and let's do the colors of the rainbow together. So you're going to draw your shoulder blades together, look up. We're going to breathe in red. Breathe out orange. Good. Breathe in yellow. What comes next? Breathe out green. Breathe in blue. Breathe out indigo. Breathe in violet or purple. Yeah, good. And then really round your spine and imagine yourself like a beautiful rainbow in the sky. And then we're going to sit back up tall. Awesome. And we're going to complete our time together with the sunshine arms, ocean breath. Reach your arms up. Take a big breath in. Big breath out. Aloha, ahui ho.